So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa National Museum of Natural History. Nakapagsalita ako ng... Hindi malakas guys, mahina ng boses ko. Tsaka walang tao kami lang. Nasa ibang floor kasi yung iba. Brown deer. Pelican. Spot-billed pelican. Hey, this is the science of identifying species, I think. Yeah, domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. You've been doing a lot of selfie?
Can I sit?
Learn something, anak, huh?
I'm gonna edit these later.
Yo, have you seen a pelican? Hey, kiss papa. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
So personally guys, nakakapag-Ayala Museum pa lang ako. Hindi pa sa mga gantong settings. Evolution of botanical illustrations. So nung mga dinodrawing yung mga halaman. What's up? Bakit? What's up?
I wanted to like.
Write the real name of the species.
Bro. just wanna write Shy Boy Johnson.
at one time, this was found in the Philippines. Nag-iisip
Yeah.
Oh my God, can you imagine you see a pato like that?
It's a crane, Papa.
Well, it's pato here. This one is a pato too.
Totoo yan. That's a pelican, Papa.
Yeah.
Or ano lang.
Ay hindi, ito ata, ano lang, parang
Ginawa
gawa
na lang. Ito siya.
Pero base,
They exist.
based
They
on
once
paano siya nakita.
exist in the Philippines.
ito siya?
Ito hindi rin. Hindi rin to. Hindi, ito? Mummified to? Bro. No, you see that? Ayun, no, may puti sa loob. I think this is made.